Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, I am going to show you guys Redmi mobile setting, and in this video friends, I am going to show you guys Redmi mobile guys gesture shortcut setting. And today I will tell you in this video how to take three finger screenshot in Redmi mobile. Friends, you want to use three finger screenshot setting, you want to use screenshot setting in Redmi mobile. So friends, now let's say how to take screenshot in Redmi mobile. One by one, step by step, we will talk about. First of all friends, you can take a screenshot without three finger. Swipe here, click here screenshot icon, and you can take a screenshot in Redmi mobile. And if you click here, so you can crop, you can edit your screenshot in your Redmi mobile, you can add tags on your screenshot. Right click here, screenshot will save. Left click here, your screenshot will delete. So friends, now we will use gesture shortcut setting and we will use three finger screenshot. Open your phone setting. After turn phone setting, friends, scroll down here. Open your phone additional setting. After turn my phone additional setting, gesture shortcut setting, click here. Take a screenshot, click here. Slide down with three finger, you can take a screenshot. Volume down plus power button, you can take a screenshot. So friends, I will use slide down with three finger to take a screenshot in Redmi mobile. How to take a screenshot? Slide down with three finger. You can take a screenshot in Redmi mobile. Click here. You want to edit your screenshot, you can edit. First of all, we will crop a screenshot. After crop a screenshot friends, you want to mark here, so you can mark. You can edit your screenshot. If you click here, you can highlight your screenshot. If you click here, you can add tags on your screenshot. Right click here, screenshot will save, and friends, if you click here left side, your screenshot will delete. Friends, one more option you have, you can take a screenshot. Friends, click here, partial screenshot setting, press and hold with three finger. Press and hold with three finger, you can take a screenshot in Redmi mobile. Press and hold with three finger, you can take a screenshot in Redmi mobile. You want to take a screenshot, you can take a screenshot. You want to change your screenshot shape, you can change. Save, edit, share, and remove. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends understood how to use Redmi mobile screenshot setting and how to use Redmi mobile gesture shortcut setting. Bye friends.